Years ago, when I was the sales manager at a Freightliner dealership in Portland, I had a great sales secretary. I didn't call her my chief of staff at the time, but that is exactly what she was. She kept me organized, kept the people who worked for me aligned, and made sure important things didn't get forgotten. Honestly, I took her for granted. Now, many years later, I realize I need that same kind of structure for my business projects, AI studies, and everything else I'm working on. Over the past several months, I've tried Grok, ChatGPT, Claude, and my OpenClaw bot, Clyde. Every time a better system appeared, I was tempted to switch. Then today, I heard someone explain why he was leaving Claude for the newest version of Grokbot. My first thought was, maybe I should switch too. But this time I stopped. I realized I already had 5 AIs working on different projects, and none of them were coordinated very well. My problem wasn't that I needed another AI. My problem was that I needed an organization. Businesses don't hire 5 talented people and expect them to organize themselves. They create roles, reporting relationships, operating procedures, and leadership. That is how I'm going to approach AI from now on. I'm the CEO. My chief of staff helps manage my priorities, projects, and information. Clyde can serve as the COO, coordinating specialized agents and executors. Other AI systems can be added wherever their particular strengths fit. The newest AI doesn't always need to replace the system I'm already using. It may simply become another member of the team. The real opportunity isn't choosing between ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, or whatever comes next. It's building an AI executive team that knows how to use all of them. Choose the structure, establish the leadership, assign the roles, build around it. Stop collecting AI tools and start building your team.